It's Marcus from Textbot, and I'm excited because if you're watching me, you are on the page of one of our affiliates. And we've got people from all over the world, thousands of people sharing Ava. Listen, if you're going to be on your phone, which you are literally on your phone right now watching me, don't you think it's about time you start making some money? Aren't you tired of seeing multiple people breaking away from their 9 to 5? You know, school taught you, go to school, get good grades, get a good job, get married, have kids, and die. And there are so many people that want the lifestyle of freedom. But here at TextBot, you're gonna be able to get that. Here's what you need to do. DM the person that shared this video with you and just type, I want in. They're gonna ask you a few questions to kind of pre-qualify you to see if you are fit mentally, emotionally, to see if you have the integrity, the character, and the hunger to be in this community. After they've asked you a few questions, you know, what you're looking for, what you're looking to make per month, you know, what's your mindset? Are you a go-getter? Are you able to follow instructions? Are you a fast learner? Once you've answered these type of questions, they're gonna send you their link. They're only gonna send you their link because they believe that you're gonna be the type of person that takes action. Be the person that you wanna connect with. You don't wanna be with bench warmers. You don't wanna be with tire kickers. You don't wanna be with people that are afraid to change, that are afraid to evolve, that are afraid to leverage artificial intelligence. We have the software that you need to leverage the power of the internet to help business owners, to help entrepreneurs, to help affiliate marketers, to help anybody from anywhere who's looking to change the game and make money online. All you gotta do is share this video. I do all the selling, all the telling, all the explaining. You get the link, you get paid instant and direct. Let me ask you a question. How would an extra $100 to $500 a day change your life? If you're watching me, I need you to DM the person that shared this video and just type I want in. TextBot, it's about to change the game. I see you on the inside. Let's go! Go.
Did you want to?
Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing? I hope you're having a great, wonderful day today. Do me a favor, if it's your first time here, go ahead and click the subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. I want to talk about today Textbot AI. I want to go over a few things with you guys that there's been some questions about, so I want to clarify that so we can make sure everybody has a great understanding of how things work. All right, so just follow me and let's get into it. So you may hear a lot about turn your cell phone into an ATM, how to receive $100 over and over simply by giving out a phone number, right? You hear that a lot. Get access to this fully automated phone-based SMS marketing system today. Okay, here's my phone number. Go check it out. Do a demo free of charge and see how it all works. 845-253-6408. But I want to clarify some things so people can get a great understanding of how it works. I think sometimes folks get a little confused. So let's cover a few things so that you can get a better understanding about Textbot AI. Okay, first of all, Textbot allows you to receive $100 commissions and $500 commissions, okay, when someone purchases the Textbot SMS system from you, okay, instant commissions. So that's the first thing. That's how the commission structure is. It has a one-up comp plan. The very first $100 sale you make, you keep that sale. The second $100 sale passes up to the person that referred you. If you purchase the Ava+ system, okay, you're able to make $500 every time you refer someone to Ava+ and they purchase that. You make $500. The first $500 sale you keep. The second $500 sale passes up. Okay. So that's where you have leverage with the Textbot AI system with these pass-up sales. But let's talk about that phone number. Okay, let's go over that. Okay, it's called your lead number. Every active and paying member of our system will receive their own phone number, which we call the lead number. This is the phone number that you will use to generate leads and sales with. What makes our lead number technology so powerful is the fact that every person who pressed 1 after calling the lead number will hold a real-time human-like text message conversation with our automated virtual assistant, Ava, whose only objective is to qualify your caller and direct them to any website you want. So this is what I want to clarify, guys. The phone number that you have, that you're assigned, the system is going to randomly assign you a number. It's not tied to your actual personal cell phone at all. You will never receive a call. When people dial the number, it goes straight into the Textbot system. And Ava is the one, the automated virtual assistant is the one that's going to be having the text messaging conversations with your prospects. You will never receive a call. You will never receive a text. Okay? It has nothing to do with your personal cell phone. Okay? The only time you're going to get anything in regards to Textbot is if someone actually signs up. You will receive an email stating you have a new member, you have money on the way, or you'll actually receive an email from the payment method that, they decided to send the money to you. Whether it's Cash App, Venmo, whatever method that is that they sent it, you'll receive an email in regards to that. Other than that, your phone number is not tied. Your personal cell phone number is not tied to any of this, okay? So I just want to be clear on that. The goal is you sharing your lead number that leads people into the texting system, the Textbot system, for Ava to do all the work, not for you. You get no calls, no communication at all, okay? So I want to clarify that. Now let's talk about Ava. Meet Ava. Your automated virtual assistant will be working for you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days out of the year. Ava qualifies each of your callers via text message instantly and automatically. She answers all your callers' questions, directs each of your callers on what to do next, sends emails to your callers, directs your callers to any website you want, automatically follows up with your callers to get them to take your desired call to action. Has nothing to do with you. You won't be involved in any of this, okay? That's what's so unique about this opportunity, okay? That you actually don't have to do any talking. There's no hassle, no selling. Just share your number or share the links that they give you. You get 2 websites, okay? That's your job. So just let the system do all the selling and telling for you. Now what I'm going to do is call my number because I want you to see what happens. Okay, so check this out. Let's do that. So you can at least hear it. Okay, let's see.
Hi there. I'm Ava, your soon-to-be artificially intelligent virtual assistant. I'm here to help you tap into the power and profitability of text message marketing while paying you over $100 over and over simply by connecting others to me. Press 1 to give me permission to send you automated text messages, and I'll show you how to get your own unique phone number just like the one you're calling right now, which you will use to easily connect others to me. My technology has paid over $1 million and has helped generate over 500,000 text messaging leads for those who are simply sharing a phone number and putting me to work for them. So press 1 right now to get a text message from me, and I can't wait to help you grow your business as I give you back your valuable time.
Okay, so that's what you hear, or your prospects will hear. We all have that same recorded message. So she's asking for your permission. Their permission, they have to press 1. Once they press 1, that gives them the permission, Ava, the permission to send them a text. Then she sends them a text, she asks for their name, and so forth. Okay, so that has nothing to do with your cell phone personally. Ava's handling all that. All right, now I want to go in the back office. I want to show you guys something you may or may not be aware of. But you can collect $100 and $500 commissions with this, guys. I think it's one of the simplest things out here. Share a number. When you join my team, I'm going to place one ad for you. I'm going to give you a image that you can post on social media with your phone number on it. I'm going to give you some marketing resources that you can use to get this out here. Okay, how to market it. All right, so let me show you something in the back office that I've been doing some testing on. Okay, I'm in my back office and I do a lot of testing, and I've been testing the page they have right now. I know they're in the process of a new funnel, but I had been testing the current funnel, the one that looks like this. Okay, this particular page right here. By the way, this is a funnel, guys. That's a funnel. Your phone number is a funnel. When someone calls it, those numbers go directly in to your back office, your Textbot office. So that is a funnel as well. So I've been testing this page. Let me show you how you can create some links to test your pages. Okay, you go here and you go down to resellers and you click my links. Okay, when you click there, you can actually go right here where it says new tracking link. You can create a link. For example, I just created one. Well, I created it a couple of weeks ago, maybe. See, a free mailer system I just set up. But I created one for a solo ad. I was just curious of how this page I just showed you was going to test. As you can see right here, 549. It tells you right here hits on that page. You see I called it solo. So it creates a whole different link, and I take that link and I send it out there with some traffic for a solo, and I was curious to see what happened. I had 549 hits on it. Now, how do you do that? You go here where it says new tracking link. Click there, and right here you're going to put your original link in there, your $100 link, and then click add marketing method, and it's going to create you a new link. Okay, so it's a great way to track what's going on with your business. Okay, so I have 3 right now. I'm going to test this free mailer deal that I just signed up with, and now I'm going to know that was me testing it there, but this way I can see how what response I'm getting, okay, from different sources. So that's a tip. Go here and create you a link so you can track it to see what type of results you're getting from the resource that you're using. Okay, but this is a great opportunity. I can't wait till the new funnels actually go live. It's going to just take this business to a whole new level. So if you're looking for a way to make some income, extra income, simple, this is the way to go. Get your Textbot number today. Again, joining me, I listed the things that I'm going to provide to you, as well as one-on-one support. I think that's very important. I'm here and I'm accessible to you when you give me a call. I work with you and make sure you get everything set up properly, as well as you want to get my personalized postcard that I created. You'll get that. That's included, and you're going to get 100 of these drop cards. Okay, $100 bill drop cards. All right, so Textbot is the way to go. Get started, guys. If you're already in Textbot, I highly recommend you upgrade. You do not want to leave those $500 commissions on the table. Okay, you don't want to do that. I'm gonna tell you, let me tell you my testimony real quick to prove. I can't show you now because I'm already in it. The person I joined was not at that level, okay, that $500 level. So when I upgraded, guess what? It went up to somebody else, because if you're not positioned, that's what happens. So a person just ended up with a commission in their lap out of nowhere. They don't know me, I don't know them. This is what happens. So you don't want that to happen to you. Okay, so get positioned. If you're not in Textbot, go ahead and do that, because basically right now you can get in for $600. Okay, you pay your $150, and then you pay that $500. I would go do it right now, guys, before they raise that price to $750. Okay, and if you're at the Ava level, go ahead and upgrade. Pay that $500 now. Okay, and get upgraded so you can get positioned when those new funnels go live. You want to be able to promote, run traffic, and get those sales. Don't leave the money on the table. Okay. All right, guys. With that being said, that's all I've got for you today. We'll go set up your marketing links and test them out. This is a part of being an internet marketer. You're always testing. Okay. Always testing and tweaking. Okay, to make things better. All right, that's all I've got for you. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Till next time, be safe out there. See you on the next video. Have a blessed day.